Hey guys, I have a secret to tell. I am going to get it. I might lose subscribers, but I don't care. I found my place. I found where I will be loved. Well, I am loved. Like, it's called being a furry. I asked my mom if I could get a furry head. She agreed because she knows that I actually act like an animal when I try to be a Therian. It didn't go as well, and I kept on not being able to make a furry head. I meant not a furry head, a Therian head. But it kept on messing up, so I was like, what can I join that I would love? And then I found this teenager that inspired me to be a furry. His or her name is called Boots. The channel name is called Boots. I think it's called Dog and Boots. That's not their display name, that's their whatever name. The display name is Boots with a bone. They actually inspired me for becoming a furry, and I was like, no, I actually kind of love. I was like, I actually kind of love this channel. You know what? This inspired me, and I was like, I finally found my new place. That will actually be fun, and my furry head will come on August 1st or 7th or 17th. I think. Sorry, my cat is just in heat. Yeah, my cat is a girl. Nice. Yeah. Hey, sir. Ah! No! Ah! Oh my god. Oh.